Now hear this. Flight quarters, man, all flight quarters for respot only. Pilots not required.
Okay, this is M. Modis for HAMO Productions. Just to let you know that I received this package from the Battleship Iowa. They've had it here for me for a little while I was away. We're going to go ahead and open this guy up. I hope it is what I think it is. I know it is. But how is the condition? That's the major thing. What's the condition of this thing? So we're going to go ahead and open this guy up. We're going to see what it is that I've been looking for quite a while. Okay, as I open up the first layer, just to let you know, it seems a lot more well packaged, well insulated. I'm going to go ahead and open this guy up. I'm going to have my boss, hold it up for me. A little excited here since it seems so well intact compared to the first one I received, which was not too well packaged. This one is double insulated all the way from China. Yeah. Oh, did he give me another one? Damn, that'd be cool if he did. Okay. Yes, I know that. Electrical system. Display stands. Acrylic base. Okay. More packaging. Yes, that looks good. Getting excited. All right, here we go. And voila. Interior hangar of a NIMITZ-class hangar bay with lights. Yikes! What just slipped up? With lights. Oh, I think it was the doors.
The doors,
I'm
yeah.
not sure it was the doors. Yeah, it's the fire door that just slid up. Okay, so everything's intact. Compared to the first model that I received, it was in total shambles. Ripped out, torn apart, overhead, just a total mess. This guy is exactly how it should have been about 2 months ago. So now I have two pieces, and I'm a happy guy.